We thought of recording a video in the park first. We're going to eat right there. And yeah, we're going to the park. We came here to the Waller Park because it is the best park. Not really. There's other best parks. Look over there. The Waller Park.
There are 2 parks in there.
No, there's 3.
I want to feed ducks.
Okay, what happened? Did they take you?
Oof.
Yeah. It's gonna be, we won't be able to record any more videos with Ghosty. And this character it might be gone.
No, why? Because I look like a little
Tangerine.
tangerine.
Yeah. So I'll just pause the video and let's get ready to eat, okay, Ghosty?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, we got our food right here. I don't know if you guys can see it. It's Del Taco. What are you doing?
Eating
Eating what?
the taco.
Okay, I got some French fries.
Where's my French fries?
Take your fries, Ghosty. I want French fries. French fries.
No, ketchup.
I'll take a bite out of this.
The wind's very strong. I could say that.
That is good. True. It is very good. What? In the shade.
Why did we choose to be on the side? Maybe we could be in the sun. It would be better.
Yeah. It could be better. I'll take another bite.
Okay.
I'll take a bite too. Okay.
I have beans in it.
I got my taco.
Those tacos are the best tacos.
True that. That is true. Oh, I think I had to go to the restroom. You guys are part of the video. Where?
Over there.
I don't see no squirrels.
I see it. It's camouflage, but I can see squirrels.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I can see it.
Oh, I see it too. It's over there.
Look, what is there? What's there? What's there?
Yeah, I see it. I see it too. Oh, I had to go to the bathroom real bad. I'll pause the video. Okay, guys, I went to the restroom and I already ate a little bit of a taco because I was hungry. Ghosty?
Yes.
Why did you already almost finish your taco?
I'm really hungry.
Okay.
And I get myself dirty easily.
My eyeballs are dirty.
I put some in my eyeball.
What you mean?
What you mean?
So yeah, I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll record and then we'll be in the playground. Yeah, guys. So we are not really gonna go to the playground. That's the end of the video. So bye.